Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. What a miserable day in Blackpool. It's about 11 o'clock Tuesday, and I had to go out to the library to get some printing done. So I'm just going to do a short video just on this North Shore area, show you how miserable it is compared to yesterday. Yes, it's warmed up. We got some strong winds back, a very angry sea as well. But yeah, just a short one today, but let's just show you how horrendous it is in Blackpool. Look at that sky. But there is a bit of blue there. I wouldn't have even come out in this, but I have to go to the library to get some stuff printed off, so I have no option. But obviously the temperatures have risen a bit, believe it or not, since yesterday. But it's horribly cold, it is horribly cold. But just to show you it. There we are. Hope you enjoyed that short video just from North Shore. Thank you very much if you do watch this one.